Hi, this is Bem Bem of Enchi, and this is my story. Um, Bem Bem of Enchi, actually, wala na ako na-define. I have no definition of, of who I am, pero ang ako ra is I don't give up easily. So that's why when I say I don't give up easily kay bisag dugay na kayo ming nagtukar sa banda, our members are no longer the originals, and then lain-lain na music and generation, but we are still here playing the music I love. I have a very influential cousin. Kay kato siya, he was the first guitar player of our family. Then 2 years older naman siya nako, and then uh, he is a very good guitar player back then. Then kay gadaot man siya, and eventually he passed away. Dili kayo dugay siya di panaw. But then ni siya mo naka-influence na mo nga to appreciate music, and eventually we became musicians. Since I am a musician back in the 90s, na I see the Dumaguete music scene got differs siya sa generations. Like for example, ang generation of musicians at this decade, lahi siya from the musicians previous decade, and the musicians from the late 90s. And then ang uban ana dili kayo sila kaila kay because ang musicians karon nga era haven't heard of the music they were the older musicians are playing, so dili kay sila magka-jive. Most of them doesn't know each other, but still when it comes to music, the people of Dumaguete are united through music, although lain-lain silang point of view, lain-lain silang perception, but the musicians of Dumaguete respect each other. When we first started, there were only like five of us. We didn't have a horn section by then, and we didn't have a keyboard player. We started playing songs by 311, Sublime, and all those stuff, even ska music. And then we eventually found a trumpet player, and then only a trumpet player, and then he saw another partner, so nahimo na silang duha. Nahimo, we were starting to shape like a reggae band. Dayon pag eventually na nakakita may keyboardista, keyboard player, ding nagkadaghan na gud mi. Eventually nahimo naming 8 people na mi sa banda. Then pagkahuman pug eskwela sa uban, some of the players left. Nagkaron mga kuan po nato, mga kauban po nato is also working, so lisod pud kayo kay dili na nila ma-prioritize ang music, and since I have said nga di ko ganahan pud kayo nga muundang, so padayon na gyapon, but then gipulihan na mong mga bagong tubo. So Enchi now is not just an Enchi band, it's a Enchi community, a community of reggae musicians nga nahimo na siyang pool of musicians. So kung ginsay bakante, kung manay makulang, ako na inon nga bakante mabuhanin nga time, so mapulihan. But then, katong mga panahon na when we first started playing, wala pa, hindi pa man uso ang Facebook. That's why wala jutay kayo may og pictures nga mga batanon pa, mga unsa kasadya tong sa una kay buadto ra ang mga tao. Our first gig was Reggae Wednesday, which is until now naragya po yung Reggae Wednesday. Isugda na mo na mga 2001. Dayon naragya po na karon sa una kay muadto ra ng mga tao ay nanay ko anay mga cellphones sa una, so we call that text brigade. Kumuha namin nga event karon ana unsang tani, let's do a text brigade. So may forward ang mga text dayon i-forward na mga numbers, which then nga i-forward tapos mga recipient and sent out too many. So may na so dagan kato makadawat maadto dito sa yahay, katong uban nga dili kadawat nara pa uban nga mutuyo or gyud adto dito. That was what our reggae scene or music scene back then. Dayon kung makatukar pud mig Boulevard, nara pud gihapoy daghang tawo maadto ra pud dito kay makakita man pud sila nga na stage pud sa SMB or back then kay SMB may kusugan mo patukar. Hi, I'm Bem Bem of Enchi, and I am part of the movement. How about you?